I'm going to kind of switch things up. Instead of zooming in so close to my eyes and doing a voiceover, I'm going to kind of try to do it. I'm going to try to do it in real time, I guess. So first I'm going to prime my eyes, and I'm going to use Urban Decay's Primer Potion just to prevent any creasing. Clean that out with a Zoeva concealer buffer brush, which had something red on it. So the palette that I'm going to use today is the new Sigma Cor de Rosa eyeshadow palette. This looks so pretty. I'm so excited to use this. Look at those colors. Aren't those colors so pretty? They just look so pretty. I'm not even using a lot of them. I'm just doing a super simple look, but they are so pretty. I just wanted to use this so bad. I'm going to take this color right here, Apricot, and I mainly use this, and it comes with this brush too, which is an E38, which is one of my favorites, and then an E54 medium sweeper. What I did notice off the bat, it does have quite a bit of kickback. I don't know. Focus. I don't know, you can probably see with the next color that I use, because those two colors had the most and I can't see. So I'm going to take this color, and I'm kind of using it as like a higher transition color, because I really used this in the beginning because I just wanted to see how pigmented it was and how dark, like the color. And honestly, it's so pigmented. I did not expect it to be this way. I kind of expected it just to kind of match my skin tone. Just something really light, but it's a really, really pretty color. And it blends out really nicely. So the next color that I'm going to take is this color, Summer Long. That color right there, which also has some kickback. It's not a huge amount, but for Sigma palettes, I don't usually have any. So I'm going to just take this and kind of concentrate it where I want it, into just above the crease. And then I'll blend it out. Don't really mind it as long as I know it ahead of time, so it's not, so I make sure to do my eyes first and it's not all over my face. But surprisingly, it has a lot of kickback in the palette, but it doesn't have a lot of fallout on my face. But I am tapping my brush, so maybe that's why. As long as the colors have good pigmentation and they blend really well, I don't mind the kickback, and this really does. As you can see, they're super pigmented and they blend out really nice. I'm going to flip this brush over, and I'm going to take the color Shakespeare right there, which again, this color really surprised me. It's a lot darker and a lot more pigmented than it looks in the palette. It is a really pretty color, and I'm just going to pat that. I'm going to pat that on my eyelid and just a little bit above my crease. And then I'll work on blending it. Okay, then I'm going to take Urban Decay's, what the heck is this called? Midnight Cowboy glitter liner, and I'm going to do that, like kind of like cut crease. I feel like this is a must-have for your makeup collection. Okay, so I'm just going to go a little bit above my crease. I'm just going to add a little bit of black to my waterline real quick. I'm going to work that in a little bit. I'm going to come back to my eyes. First, I'm going to do my foundation. I am going to use this Smashbox Even Skin Tone Primer just in the center of my face only. For foundation, I'm going to take, again, the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue foundation. I'm using the color Light Medium. A little bit of these Laura Geller Dew Dreamer Illuminating Face Drops, something like that. And I'm just going to add a little bit. I like this one because it's really thin. I don't know what's happening with my hair. And I'm going to take this Makeup Forever 112 Wavy brush. I am in love with this brush. And then for concealer, I'm going to use Tarte Shape Tape. I don't know how you guys are doing right now, but all I'm doing is eating. I cannot stop eating. I don't think I have my camera on the right setting. It looks really weird. I cannot stop eating. And I've made banana bread every single week. And it's really out of control now. This is a Tarte brush. Doesn't have a name on it, but I will try to link it in the description box. Then I'm going to take the Laura Mercier setting powder with a Sigma tapered F35 brush. It's actually for highlighter. It's a tapered highlighter, but I really like it for setting my under eyes with powder because it fits right under there. And I don't bake, so this is perfect. I just apply a generous amount. Whatever's left, I kind of just go over everything. Then I'm going to take a little bit of this Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Setting Powder. Actually, I'm going to use that same brush because I'm just going to go in the center, my T-zone. And then down here. Next, I'm going to use the Makeup Geek Sun-Kissed Fair Skin Bronzer and warm up my face a little bit with this Zoeva 101 Luxe Face Definer. Also going to do my nose with that. Whoops. L'Oreal's Luminoso blush. First, I'm going to try to clean up a little bit. And on my nose. I'm going to take a little bit of Luminoso and put that on my cheeks. I really don't want a lot of highlight. I'm going to take MAC's Soft and Gentle highlighter. Well, it's a mineralized skin finish. I'm just going to take a little bit of that and add just a tiny amount because I really don't want any at all. But I will put it on my nose. I've been liking not having my nails on. I've had them off for like maybe 2 weeks because I've been waiting for my Amazon order. But now I'm like, oh, I can't wait to put them back on. And I hope I can do the style that I want. I'm going to try to film it for you guys if I can do it. If it does come out, because I don't know what I'm doing. Let me go back into my eyes before I forget. I'm going to go back into this palette. I love this palette. I really do. And I'm going to take the color, I think I'm just going to do the color, ooh, not that one, Shakespeare. And then I'll probably blend it a little bit of that apricot under it. For the inner corner, I'm going to use a little bit of this color Sun Sprite right here, which is the gold color. I tried to use this color right here, but it's a little, I don't think it's good for my inner corner. It's kind of too dark. I feel about this gold either. Just trying to do something different. It's really dark. Okay, and this collection also comes with 3 glosses and a liquid lipstick. The liquid lipstick looks really pretty, called Corderosa. I think I'm going to use this. Maybe I might use a gloss. I'm not sure. I'm not really big on gloss, but okay. I'm going to line my lips with the Makeup Forever Anywhere Caffeine Lip Liner. Can't talk today. Okay, and then I'm gonna take the lipstick. That's a pretty color. This lip gloss is Cor de Rosa 2. These are Secret Garden and Lilac Wine. I'm gonna use. They're kind of shimmery. I don't really like the gloss. I liked it better without the gloss. So I'm just gonna put a little bit more of this.